Ano ba ang mga attachments talaga ng School Form 10? Magsisimula po ang School Form 10 kay grade 1 at grade 7. Kung senior high school, grade 11. Una tayo sa elementary. Kasi sila talaga yung unang-unang gagawa ng School Form 10. Grade 1. Ang kasama po na attachment ng School Form 10 sa grade 1, birth certificate, either of the three. Una, ECCD checklist. Pangalawa, Learner's Progress Report Card. Pangatlo, Kindergarten Certificate of Completion. Yang tatlo lang, either of the three. So, ibig sabihin, isa lamang sa tatlo, valid for enrollment na po yung bata. So, tatlo rin po ang laman ng SF10. Yung mismong papel ng SF10, birth certificate ng bata, or any document between the three, among the three, that would legitimize the claim that the learner already completed kindergarten. Klaro? Kasama po yung tatlo.